Hi guys, today we are covering the basics of Cinema 4D. How to move, scale, rotate stuff, and rotate camera. And the dynamic bodies. So, if you want to rotate the camera like so, simply press Alt, hold it, then the left click, and then drag, and it does that. If you want to scale out, if you want to zoom in, zoom out, you simply press Alt, hold Alt, right click and drag again and do this. If you want to move your camera like this, simply press Alt, hold Alt, then press the scroll button and then drag. If you want to import an object into the scene right here, simply drag, hold on this button right here, like this little cube, and then you can import whatever object you want. But for this project, I need the cube, so I import the cube. And if you want to scale it, you can do it like this, on these little cubes right here, or you can click on this one, this button right here, and green, blue, red, or if you hold it in the empty area, you just drag and it affects all of those. If you want to rotate the object, simply press this and then rotate the object. If you want to copy the object, press and click on this right here, click Control button, drag, and you made another object. So for this we can see project, I'm gonna make like a stairs, like so, a little bit more. See? And then we can import a plane, make it wide, big, then import a sphere and put it right here. And if you want to group these objects, so you don't want to move like this, it will be super hard. But if you want to group all of these objects, simply click here and then hold shift and click on this one, right click, group object. But if you want a shortcut for that, it's Alt G, and it does that. So what does the null do? It basically makes all of your object into one same object, so you can move it like this. And you want to make on these cubes a dynamic body, which is collider body right here. So what is collider body? It does affect all of other dynamic bodies, but gravity does not affect it. So it can fall, but the other bodies are bouncing off it, like this. See how it's bouncing off it? If you want to move your frames to be a little bit more, I want to be on like 200, you can simply do this, or type it like, see, like this. If you want to go right away on 80 frame or on 60 frame, simply click here, type, and you're right there. So I want to go on null and scale object, like so, put it right here. And if you got a problem that like you can't move your object while it's collider body, I can go here and see, when it's soft body, I can go here, and I can't move it. Why is that? Because I am not on 0 frame. I need to be on 0 frame, click again, and see, I can move it again. So what do I want to do? I want to simply make the null a little bit more wide, put it right here, right here, take this one, right here, and when I hit play, see, it bounces off. But we want it to go down the stairs. So we are gonna take this sphere, put it right here, a little bit here, and when we play, oh sorry, we need to put it right here, and when we hit play, it does that, it goes downstairs. But if you want to move it if you want to move it faster, you simply need to add a wind. So how do I add a wind, you might ask yourself? It's simple. You basically go here into simulate, and here you have gravity, wind, friction, rotation, turbulence. These are all the effectors. So we need wind. See how it adds like a little fan right here. We can put it right there or somewhere where you want, and we scale it up, we hit play. See how it blows it. But we don't want it to blow it like that. We want just a little whistle. Just a little whistle. And when we hit play, it goes like that. But we can see a problem right here. Wait, I'm gonna scale a little bit more, friends. See a problem right here. Like when it falls on here, see, it goes right through this plane. So why is that? Because we haven't added the collider body on the plane. If we add collider body on the plane and hit play, I'm sorry if these are not showing up when I hold on these or something. I don't know why is that, but you basically, if you want to go and summon these dynamic bodies, go here, simulation tags, and there are those bodies. And if you want to make a child of sphere, you simply hold shift and then click and makes it a child of a sphere. If you want sphere to be child of something, whatever you want, simply hold alt and then click on that, and the sphere automatically became the child of the subdivision surface or whatever you want. Oh, sorry, I deleted the sphere. And if you don't like how you've done something, you make a mistake or something, you want it to be like this, but you made it be like this, and you're like, oh no, how do I do that? So simply hold Control and then Z, and it automatically return it to the previous look. Or you can hold these like little arrows, and then it does the literally same thing. So that's it for this video. Bye.